don't make these lights, eh? Come on, keep it. Got it. Right, I'll come back to you on my beautiful Streetfighter. And yeah, what I'm up to today is we're going, or I'm going to at the moment, to catch up with one of the guys from the group, my riding group, and we are planning to go to a Cars and Coffee. So meeting up at some place that I haven't, around the neighborhood, an area which I don't frequent. Oh, I'm gassed up very often. So I am running a little bit behind because it was freezing cold this morning. Because, well, I mean, it's 7 degrees right now, and when I woke up it was about 5 degrees. So I'm a little bit stiff from the cold because I had a good training day yesterday, so everything is all taut like a toiga. And yeah, so gonna go meet him at a petrol pump or somewhere near there, and then we will proceed to head to the Cars and Coffee. Cars and Coffee starts at 9, meeting at the meet point at 8, and it's 7:52. And the meet point is about 20 minutes away from me. So, you know I'm gonna be late. Fashionably late. So yeah, I think it's just one other guy. I don't know, he posted it on his Instagram. If anyone else wants to tag along, they're welcome to. But for the most part, it's just little old me and him. So, memory serves me right, he has the red 899 Panigale mile bike, but in red. I had mine in pale white, which is a superior color for a V2 899 and 959. Even though I think the Streetfighter would probably look pretty bowler in that white and red, the pearl white and red scheme, you still cannot beat this beautiful red, people. You cannot beat this beautiful red. Ducati red. There's just something mesmerizing about it. And honestly, I think the red is better than the white when it comes to visibility on the road. Because your boy learned firsthand what the white have. I mean, the red wheels are pretty standoffish, essentially. You can see them. But the pearl white is, I think, what, yeah, it didn't help with the visibility when I had my accident. Oh, yeah. I just remembered something. We have officially started getting V2 Streetfighters into Australia. Because right now there are 2 V2 Streetfighters sitting at our local Ducati dealership. So, just wanted to have a little yap about that. And, you know, just talk about the V2s essentially, because they seem like a really good bang for your buck naked bike, to be honest. Like, yeah, they're using the 959 engine, because they haven't, I don't think they're ever going to change that for the 2 series, at least. Brother, you're not going to beat us if we try. But yeah, the new V2 Streetfighters are looking pretty freaking sick, to be honest. And from what I've seen and what I understand about them, they're a really nice piece of kit to just have as a daily to and fro, in comparison to, well, this bugger. Mainly because this is a leader bike, and the primary issue with the bloody thing is the fact that how heavy it is on fuel, and, you know, cost and all the electronics and stuff. Like, all that stuff is good, but it just skyrockets the bloody price into the stratosphere. So yeah, definitely would recommend the V2s to anyone, because like that 899, they're so much better for daily use. And yeah, not to mention it does look a little bit sexy. Not as sexy as the big brother, but it's definitely a sexy bike. But to be honest, I'm kind of happy that they have made the wings an optional package for the bike. Mainly due to the fact that, well, the fact that there's not enough power in the bloody V2s to warrant that kind of aerodynamic downforce. So it's cool that you can option it onto yeah, the V2s essentially. And I think it is the left side, yeah, the motor cover. Yeah, the motor cover, because the clutch cover is on the right hand side. It's a very interesting pattern and design on that. It's just odd, because it looks like a bored out hole. And I'm just like, interesting design choice. It looks nice, but it's kind of like neither here nor there, I can imagine, for some people. But all in all, from what I've seen review-wise about the vehicle, about the bicycle, it's not half bad when it comes to performance and, you know, ease of use and friendliness for newbies who don't want a big bike, essentially. Is that a Supra? Yeah, can we park and can we park and come back? Okay. Yeah. Well, that was yours. I was just like, why the f is mine beeping at me? I haven't turned it off. Yeah, I was just like, what the fuck are you thinking? Some nice cars. Corgi. Nice cars. Cute little doggos. I think I'm going to end it here, guys and gals. I don't think there's going to be much more eventful things taking place for me, except for dodging stupid car drivers, but I digress. Anywho, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for continuing to come back and view my content. Find yourself a newbie and you're on my channel quite often, please do me a solid and hit that sub button. And if you want to keep up to date, smash that notification bell. And you know what you need to do with that like button? Absolutely obliterate it. Thank you all again, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Ride safe and deuces.